Hello, my name is Alan Dykstra. I drive a 2000 Chevy Silverado pickup. I've had it for 14 years now, and I tow a car trailer with it. I was beginning to have some problems with the transmission slipping, so I looked around and was shopping and got my transmission from Monster. It's a 4L65E, heavy duty. Received the transmission. It was in excellent shape, brand spanking new and pretty in the box, and we got it installed, got everything programmed. It was very simple. The instructions were very simple and easy to understand. I installed it myself in my driveway, and so far it's been running fantastic. Shifts great, works great, and I would certainly recommend any of my friends or colleagues to shop at Monster Transmissions. So far, so good, and the next time I need anything transmission related, I will contact Monster. Thank you.